n of A union B? Any one of you? N of A union B is equal to, any one of you, can you tell me the formula for N of A union B is equal to? Any one of you?
Sir, N of
Yes.
A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B.
Yes, my dear. Ria, thank you. Have you heard her answer, my dear? Mahima, Samuel, Rexlin, Disha Priya, Vinisha,
Yes, sir.
Benjamin, Nikhil, Percy, Juice, Richan. Yes. You must learn this formula. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Now, come to this point. In this exercise 1.6, we have completed 4 questions so far. Yes or no, my children? Yes or no, my children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, come to the next question. Question number 5. Who will read the question number 5? Question number 5. Who will read the question number 5? Who will read question number 5? Yes, my dear Samuel.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
If
read.
X and Y are two sets such that X has 40 elements, X union Y has 60 elements, and X intersection Y has 10 elements, how many elements does Y have?
Okay, my dear children. What is given here? Can you tell me in the notation form? What is given in the question? Given. Tell me what is given. Have you understood the question, my dear children? Have you understood the question? What is given in the question?
Sir,
What is given in the question? In the notation form. Very good. Very good, my dear Nikhil. N of x. N of x is equal to 40. And what is given? N of x is equal to 40. And later, what is given?
N of X union Y is equal to 60.
Very good, my dear Ria. N of x union y is equal to 60. And any other information given?
N of X intersection Y is equal to
N of x intersection y. N of x intersection y is equal to 10. This is the given data for us. N of x is given. N of x union y is also given. N of x intersection y is also given. We have to find N of y. What is N of y? Okay, my children. Without using the formula, just I will show you through Venn diagram. Through Venn diagram, here I will use the formula later. Just a trial. Let us consider this circle denotes set x and the second circle denotes y, set y. What is given N of x intersection y? That is 10. That is middle part, the common area. X intersection y is 10. N of x, what is N of x here? Tell me. 40. Yes or no? 40 here. In this circle, there should be 40. In this entire circle, there should be 40. Already 10 is there. What is the remaining number here? There should be. What is the number? Yes, very good, my dear Nikhil. 30. This is 40. Yes. Now, N of x union y. X union y means this area plus this area plus this area. the sum of these three regions gives n of x union y. This value plus this value plus this value gives n of x union y. Okay, now can you tell me here what is the number? What should be the number? Here I explained in this Venn diagram. Yes, very good, my dear Richen. Very good, my dear Nikhil. 30 plus 10, 40 we got here. Previously I told you this area plus this area plus this area. The sum of these three areas gives n of a union b or n of x union y. So here 30, here 10, 40. But what should be the total number? 60. So the remaining number is 20. Now can you tell me what is n of y? By observing this circle y, by observing this circle y, can you tell me n of y? Very good, my dear Ria. Yes, n of y. 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20, 30. Understood, my dear children? By observing this Venn diagram also, we can write the answer. We can write the answer. Otherwise, we can use n of x union y formula. By using that formula also, we can find n of y. Okay. Now, I am using the formula. We know that n of x union y, n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x union y. Okay. N of x union y. Let us substitute these values here. 60 is equal to n of x 40 plus n of y. We don't know the numerical value of this number, this value, unknown quantity, minus n of x intersection y, sorry, n of x intersection y, that is 10. This implies 60 is equal to 40 minus 10, we get to 30. 30 plus n of y. This implies if you transpose n of y to LHS and we transpose, okay, we transpose this one, 30 into LHS. So n of y is equal to 60 minus 30, that is equal to 30. Previously also Ria and Nikhil, they told n of y is equal to 30 by observing this Venn diagram. Both tallied or not, both answers tallied or not, n of y is equal to 30. Yes, we can follow, we can use Venn diagram or we can use formulae also. But in the Venn diagram, remember this point, my dear children, this area plus this area plus this area. This is nothing but denotes x minus y. Remember this area. Remember this area. Only x, not y. X minus y means only x, not y. This area denotes y minus x. Means only y. This number denotes only y, but not x. And this number denotes x and y. X intersection y means x and y. By adding these three areas, n of x minus y plus n of x intersection y plus n of y minus x gives n of x union y. These three are disjoint sets. These three areas are disjoint sets. So union of these three sets means this area value plus this area value plus this area value. Understood this point, my dear children? Now we go to the next question. Yes. Why didn't you attend, my dear Catherine, in the morning? 8:30 to 9. My dear Catherine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. Now come to the next question. Question number 6. Who will read question number 6? Question number 6. Who will read question number 6? Who will come forward to read question number 6? Who will read the question number 6? Ria, Rexlin.
Sir, I will.
Okay, ma. Read the question number 6.
In a
Read
group
the.
of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both the coffee and tea?
Yes. Understood this question, my dear children? In a group of people, in that group, total 70 people are there. Total 70 people. The group of people is divided into two groups, those who are taking tea and those who are taking coffee. Let us denote this circle by C and this is circle by T. C denotes number of people who are taking coffee. This circle T denotes the people who are taking tea. Okay. In this Venn diagram, what is given here? 52 people, 32 people like coffee. In this circle, there should be 37 people, and 52 like tea. 52 persons, 52 persons like tea, and each person like at least one of the two drinks. Means enough C union T. C union T is nothing but 70. How many people like both coffee and tea? How many people both like tea and coffee? Okay, my dear children. Means we have to find this area. Just through the Venn diagram, just I will explain this question through the Venn diagram as well as by using formula also. Let us assume that here is X. We don't know how many people like both coffee and tea. How many people are liking tea and coffee as well. But in this total circle, how many people should be there? In the total circle, how many people should be there? Observe this circle. How many people should be there in that circle? In this circle only, I asked you particularly in this circle. Yes, Catherine told correct answer 37. I mentioned here 37 and just above this circle. I mentioned here 37. In this circle, total 37 people are there. But already X people are there. X people are there. How many people will be there in this area? How many people will be there in this total? 37 people should be there. Already X people we kept aside. How many people are left in this 37? In this 37, how many people will be left? If X people are kept aside, yes, my dear Ria, very good. 37 minus X. 37 minus X. Similarly, in this circle, in this second circle, there should be 52 people. In this total circle, second circle, there should be 52 people. Already X people are there. Out of 52 people, already X people stood here. X people taken here. How many people are rest? How many people are remained here? How many people? Yes, my dear Percy, very good. 52 minus x. 52 minus x. And previously, I told you this area plus this area plus this area gives n of C union T. C union T is nothing but 70. Okay. C union T is nothing but 70. Here, 37 minus x plus x plus 52 minus x is equal to 70. The sum of these three areas gives this entire group. Okay, my children. Now we solve this equation. So 37 minus x plus x plus 52 minus x is equal to 70. Plus x minus x gets cancelled. Now what will you get? 37 plus 52, 89. 89 minus x is equal to 70. By solving this equation, if you transpose x to RHS and we transpose 70 to this side, x is equal to, yes, very good, my dear Percy, 79 minus, sorry, 89 minus 70, that is equal to 19. This x denotes 19. So 19 people like both coffee and tea. Understood this Venn diagram? Through this Venn diagram, you can write the answer. You can write the solution to this question. Otherwise, we use the formula given. First, let C is equal to, let C denotes. First, we have to write the description. Let C denote the people who take or who like coffee, and T denote the people who like tea. Okay, my children. First of all, we have to write this description. The letter C denote the people who like coffee, and the letter T denotes the people who like tea. Now, given N of C union T, total number of people in the group is 70. So we wrote directly N of C union T is equal to 70. N of C is equal to 37. Here I wrote here 37 just above the circle. N of T is equal to 52 just below the second circle. We have to find N of C intersection T. We have to find this value. Now we use that formula. We know that N of C union T is equal to N of C plus N of T minus N of C intersection T. Okay. In this formula, let us substitute the given values. What is N of C union T? 70. Plus what is N of C? 37. Plus what is N of T? 52. Minus N of C intersection T. This is unknown quantity. We have to find the value of this unknown quantity. This implies 70 is equal to, what you will get here? 89. 89 minus N of C intersection T. This implies, by transposing the terms, we get N of C intersection T is equal to 89 minus 70, that is equal to 19. In both cases, in both methods, you get the same answer. Have you observed these answers, my dear children? Therefore, what will you conclude here? 19 people like both coffee and tea. This is our conclusion. In both methods, you can use this method also in the examination, or you can use this method also in the examination. Okay, my dear children, understood these two methods using the Venn diagram and using the formulae. But choice is yours. Choice is yours. You can use any one of these two methods, which is convenient to you, which is comfortable to you. Okay, my dear children. Yes, if you want to follow this method, this Venn diagram is a must. But if you want to follow this method, no need to show Venn diagram. It is not a compulsory. It is not compulsory. In this method, you can follow these steps directly. No need to draw Venn diagram. But in this method, here you are completely, purely depending on this Venn diagram. So this Venn diagram is a must. Okay, my dear children? Right. Now come to the next question. Who will read the question number 7? Question number 7. Minisha? Okay, my dear Percy, please. Okay, my dear Percy, read the question number 7.
In a group of 65 people,
Just wait a moment, my dear Percy. My dear children, all of you be ready to read the questions. I'm asking you just by seeing the question and read the question. Only few students are coming forward. Even for that, are you not willing to come forward? Vinisha, Benjamin, you are not participating actively. You are not participating actively in the class. Do you have textbook or not? Vinisha and Benjamin, do you have textbooks or not? Okay, ma. It's okay. What about Benjamin? What
Sir,
about you are also not coming forward to any question? You are not coming forward to even for reading the question. You are not coming forward. Even for
sir, I do not have book, sir.
previously, long back, I told everyone to download the textbook from NCERT website, but still you have not downloaded. Till now you have not downloaded. You are attending the classes regularly, you are listening the classes regularly, but till now you have not downloaded the textbook. Which device you are using?
Sir, laptop, sir.
Then why are you not downloading the textbook, NCERT textbook? Please be ready with the textbook, my dear children, when we are discussing questions in the exercise. All of you be ready with textbooks. You are not small kids. You are not small kids to tell the same thing every time. I hope you understood this one. Now, carry on, my dear Percy. Carry on.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? How many like tennis?
See this question, somewhat different question. it is a little bit different question. Here, to solve this question, Venn diagram is very useful tool. By using Venn diagram, we can solve this question easily. Okay. Of course, we can use formula method also. We can use formula method also. Okay, I will tell you that also. Now, Venn diagram. First, let us write given. First, cricket. Let us consider. Let C denote. Let C denote. Let C denotes the people who like cricket. Who like cricket. And T denotes who like tennis. T denotes the letter T denotes the people who like cricket, tennis. Sorry, tennis. Now, first we use this Venn diagram method. Venn diagram method. First, we represent the given data in the Venn diagram. In the group of people 65, in the group of people 65, let us denote this circle means the people who like cricket, and the second circle to denote tennis, the people who like tennis. What is given here? 40 people like cricket, 10 people like both cricket and tennis. Here, this area, 10 people, here 10 people like both cricket and tennis. Understood this area, my children? Intersection part. So this only given for us. Okay, my children, only this information was given. Here, we don't know this area. In this area, in this circle, total 40 people should be there. Total 40 people should be there. Already 10 people are there. How many people will be left in the 40 if 10 people are taken already? How many people will be left? Remind. Yes, my dear Catherine. This area. In this area, we write 30. If we add these two numbers, we get the total number of people in that circle. Now come to this circle. Come to this circle. In this circle, they did not give any information. They did not give any information. Have they given any information about the people who like tennis? That was not given. Okay, so we don't know the numerical value in this area. Let us consider this is x. This is x. We don't know. Okay, now from this Venn diagram, previously I told you this number plus this number plus this number is equal to universal set, union of these two sets. Okay, from the diagram, from the adjacent Venn diagram, we get 30 plus 10 plus x is equal to 65. 30 plus 10 plus x is equal to 65. This implies 40 plus x is equal to 65. This implies we solve this equation, my dear children. 65 minus 40. This implies x is equal to 25. Means these 25 people like only tennis. Previously, as I told you, this area denotes only that part, not the second part, second set. So here, what is x? The people who like only tea. What is asked here? How many people like tennis only, but not cricket? Now, can you tell me how many people like tennis but not cricket? By observing this Venn diagram, how many people like only tennis but not cricket? Not Rexlin, this is not 35, this is 25 only. Yes, this 25 denotes the number of people who like only tea but not cricket, only tennis but not cricket. Therefore, 25 people 25 people like only tennis but not cricket. Okay, my children. So for this question, this method is easiest method. This method is easiest method. Okay, my children. Otherwise, you have to use some set theory here. N of C plus n of t minus c is equal to 65. There is a property, but just by using this knowledge, we had to create some formula. Direct formula is not there. Direct formula is not there to find the required number. By just observing this Venn diagram, we can create here formula. Now I will tell you. Given n of c is equal to 40, n of c intersection t is equal to 10, n of c union t, n of c union t is equal to n of c union t is equal to say 65. Okay. Now we know that n of c union t is equal to n of c plus n of t minus n of c intersection t. We know that n of c union t is equal to n of c plus n of t minus n of c intersection t. Okay, my children. Now in this formula, let us substitute the given values. 65 is equal to n of c 40 plus n of t, we don't know its value, it is unknown quantity, minus n of c intersection t 10. 65 is equal to 40 minus 10, 30 plus n of t. This implies n of t is equal to 65 minus 30. That is 35. So here n of t is 35, but they asked in the question clearly that we have to find the people who like only tennis, but not cricket. So we write like this. C minus t minus c who like only tennis, but not cricket. T minus C. This is nothing but this area. In this Venn diagram, this area denotes only T but not cricket. Okay, so we know that n of T is equal to n of T intersection C. N of T is equal to n of T intersection C plus n of T minus C. N of T minus C. N of T is equal to, this is nothing but we have derived a formula by observing this Venn diagram. This part means this area plus this area gives the total circle. Yes or no? So this total circle is a combination of the joining of these two parts. This part denotes intersection of C and T, and this denotes C minus T minus C. So n of T, we have already found n of T 35. Previously we have found n of T intersection C, we got to 10 plus n of T minus C. From this one, n of T minus C is equal to 35 minus 10, that is equal to 25. Therefore, 25 people like tennis only, but not cricket. They will not like cricket. They will like only tennis. Understood this question, my dear children? Understood this one? Little bit advanced question. When compared to the previous questions, little bit advanced question. Okay, my dear children. Now come. Yes, who is that?
Sir, Ria.
Tell me, Ria.
Sir, we could technically use the formula to find out. Sir.
No. Previously also I told you, you can follow this method, this formula method. This is the formula method, some little bit lengthy method, but Venn diagram method is easier to you. Okay, my dear children.
Sir, know that n of A union B, that formula even we can use to find out. Sir.
Also, we got only n of T here. We got here n of T. In the last step, we got only n of T. Means the people who like tennis. But in that people, some people may like both tennis and cricket also. Out of these 35 people, some people may like both tennis and cricket also. But we have to find out the people who like only tennis but not cricket. That is why we have found this one. We have used this formula. Understood this point, my dear Ria?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you practice 1 or 2 or 3 times, you can understand easily what is asked here, what we found here. Okay. Now come to the question number 8. Question number 8. Who will read the question number 8? Who will read question number 8? Yes, my dear Catherine, read the question number 8.
In a committee, 50 people speak French, 20 speak Spanish, and 10 speak both Spanish and French. How many speak at least one of these two languages?
Understood this question, my dear Catherine? What they asked here, what should be found here? They have to find the number of people who speak at least one of these two. At least one of these two. See here, previously I told at least one of the two description and their set theoretic notation. At least one of two. See here, at least one of A or B. What should be found here? See here, at least one of A or B. What should be found here?
Sir, A union B.
Yes, A union B. They did not give this sentence directly, my dear children. They used this sentence at least one of the languages, at least one of the two languages, either Spanish or French. Means indirectly they asked here, we have to find union of the two sets. Will you try this question, my dear children? I gave the hint also. Will you try the question number 8? Will you find? Yes, just union only, union formula. Apply the union formula. That's all. It automatically you get the answer. That's all. That answer denotes the people who speak at least one of the two languages, Spanish and French. Okay, my dear children? There is no twist, only if you see the sentence, you may confuse here, but they asked this only. Indirectly, they asked A union B. Indirectly, they asked here union only. Okay, my dear children? Now the time is 3 past 15 minutes. You can leave the meeting, my dear children. Stay at home, stay safe, take care of your health, my dear children. Sanitize your hands frequently. Maintain social distance of 2 meters from others, and do your work sincerely and seriously. Submit your work in the Google Classroom. Okay, my dear children? Right. Now leave the meeting, my dear children. Leave the meeting.